shit. Eto. I think like mas nako-connect to sa yung experience mo ngayon. Sa advice, taga-advice nila, Bren.
Hoy, ba't mo naman reveal? Pasaway ka.
Okay. Eto. Hindi naman nila kilala kung sino yung mga nandun eh. So, di natin nagkakabil kung sino yung mga nandun. Okay. Which makes you fall in love with someone more? Physical attraction or non-physical connection?
Physical attraction or non-physical connection? What do you mean? Like, physical attraction more of sa itsura? Or being touchy? Ano yung pangalawa? Physical connection o non-physical connection?